morning student. Today we are going to discuss about Lowry-Bronsted acid-base theory. This Lowry-Bronsted theory is also known as proton theory of acid and bases. The Danish chemist Johannes Nicholas Bronsted and the English chemist Thomas Martin Lowry was proposed acid-base reaction theory independently in 1923. According to him, the acid can be defined as an acid is defined as a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton to another substance. According to him, a base can be defined as a base is a substance that has a tendency to accept a proton from other substance. In other words, we can say an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Here, according to him, an acid is defined as a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton to another substance. Here we are taking the acids like a HCl, according to Lowry-Bronsted, an acid is a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton. Here HCl donate a proton, H plus plus Cl minus. So HCl is a acid according to Lowry-Bronsted theory. So any substance that donate a proton, it is called acids. So now let me say example for base. Here we are taking ammonia. Ammonia is the base. It accepts a proton H plus, so it gives ammonium ions NH four plus. So this is the example for base. So according to Lowry-Bronsted, an acid is a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton. Here HCl is the has a tendency to donate a proton. So H plus is the proton. So it is an acid. A base is a tendency to accept a proton. Here ammonia is the base. It accepts a proton forming ammonium ions. So this is the definition for acid and bases according to Lowry-Bronsted theory. Or in other words, we can say simply an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Here I given the example. The HCl donate the proton and ammonia accept the proton. So this is a example for acid and a base. Here we are taking some reactions. Here HCl dissolved in water, it gives hydronium ion and Cl minus ions. When hydrogen chloride dissolved in water, it donates a proton to the water. Here this is a HCl. This HCl dissolved in water, it donates a proton. So here HCl acts as acid and water act as a base because it accept a proton from acids. So, and forming conjugate acid, H3O plus is the conjugate acids and Cl minus is the conjugate base. Do you understand, student? When hydrochloric acid is dissolved in water, hydrochloric acid donate a proton to water. Due to the donation of proton, HCl is a acid. Due to accepting of proton from hydrochloric acids, water behaves as a base and giving H3O plus hydronium ion, it is a conjugate acid, and Cl minus, it is a conjugate base. When ammonia is dissolved in water, it accepts a proton from water. When ammonia dissolved in water, this ammonia is a base, it accepts a proton from water, forming ammonium ion and a OH minus ions. Here water behaves as a acid, here ammonia behaves as a base, forming NH4 plus ion ammonium ion, it is a conjugate acid, OH minus, it is a conjugate base. Here water has a amphoteric natures, it behaves as a acid as well as base. So, in this way they form a pair of acid and base, a pair of acid and a base. Here this is the acids, it is forming a base for donating a proton, it is a base forming a pair of acid base pair. This type of acid base pair is called a conjugate acid base pair, conjugate acid base pair. Do you understand, student? So, according to Lowry-Brons's theory, any substance donate a proton, it is called acid, any substance accept a proton, it is called base. So, here water has a amphoteric in nature, it behaves as a acid as well as both base. Let us consider the reverse reaction of this. The H3O has a tendency to donate a proton, so it behaves as acid. OH minus has a tendency to accept a proton, so it behaves as a base. So, you keep in mind ion plus any ion has positive charge, it is an acid, any ion have negative charge, it is a base. So, in this case the H3O plus ion donates proton to Cl minus ion forming HCl. The products also behave as a acid base. These acid base pairs are called a conjugate acid base pairs. In general, the Lowry-Brons's acid base reaction is represented as acid 1 base 2, acid 2 base 1. We can say what is the conjugate acid base pair. The species that remains after the donation of proton is a base and is called the conjugate base of the Bronsted acids. The species remains after the donation of proton is a base and is called conjugate base of the Bronsted acids. In other words, we can just simply say any chemical pieces that differs only by the proton are called conjugate acid base pair, Do you understand, student? Any chemical pieces that differ only by a proton are called conjugate acid base pair. For example, here we are taking the hydrochloric acid, it is dissolved in water, it gives hydronium ion H3 H3O plus Cl minus. Here any chemical pieces that differ only by a proton are called conjugate acid base pairs. Here we are taking the HCl, it is acid, its conjugate base is Cl minus, its conjugate base is Cl minus. Here the species differs only by proton, HCl and Cl minus. Here the species differ only by a proton, here only one proton is a difference. So this type of, this is acid, this is a conjugate base, this type of pair is called conjugate acid base pairs. Here we are taking water and hydronium ion, here also one proton difference, here H2 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogens, one proton is a differ. So that is here we saying any chemical pieces that differ only by a proton are called conjugate acid base pair. Do you understand, student? Here we can write this hydrochloric acid dissolved in water, it gives hydronium ion and Cl minus ion. Here hydrochloric acid and Cl minus ion forming a conjugate acid base pair. The hydrochloric acid is a proton donor, it is a acid. Cl minus is a proton acceptor, it is a base. So it is forming one pair of acid base pair. Here like this, water is a proton acceptor, it is a base. Here hydronium ion is a proton donor, it is a acid. Here this water and hydronium forming a conjugate acid base pair. Do you understand, student? It is very important concept. The chemical pieces that differ only by a proton, here one proton is a excess for comparing this acid and conjugate base. Okay, this type of acid base pair is called a conjugate acid base pair. Here HCl and Cl minus and H2O and H3O plus are two conjugate acid base pairs. That is, Cl minus is the conjugate base of the acid HCl, or HCl is the conjugate acid of Cl minus. Similarly, H3O plus hydronium ion is the conjugate acid of H2O base. Do you understand, student? It's a very important concept. Now comparing the conjugate acid base pair, we are taking weak acids. Acetic acid is the weak acid, here hydrochloric acid is strong acid. In this case, hydrochloric acid is strong, so acetic acid becomes a base, it accepts a proton from hydrochloric acids and forming CH3 COOH2 plus Cl minus. Here this is a conjugate acid, this is a conjugate base. This CH3 COOH2 is a less stable, so it is a weak, and the Cl minus is the strong base. Now let us take the another reactions. Cl minus combined with acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak acid. Here Cl minus is the base, forming hydrochloric acids and acetate ions. here hydrochloric we are taking the weak acids, its conjugate base is a strong. Its a conjugate base is a strong due to the resonance. Here this acetate ion forming like this CH3 C double bond O minus. Due to the resonance, it is a strong, it is a stable and strong. If we take the weak acids, its conjugate base is a strong. If we take a strong acids, its a conjugate base is a weak. So in this way we can generalize. A stronger acid has a weak conjugate base, a weak acid has a strong conjugate base. Keep in mind, it is a very, very important point. Okay. Yes, stronger acids has a weak conjugate base, a weak acid has a strong conjugate base. Do you understand, student? It is a very important theory, Lowry-Bronsted theory, as a public exam as well as NEET JEE oriented. It's a very important concept. Any substance that donate a proton is called a acid. Any substance that accept a proton is called a base, or simply we can say proton is a acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Then comparing weak acids and strong acids, a stronger acid has a weak conjugate base. A stronger acid has a weak conjugate base. A weak acid has a strong conjugate base. You keep in mind when comparing the acids, the conjugate acid base pair, which one is the stronger, which one is the weaker. You keep in mind. Do you understand, student? It's a very, very important as a NEET, as a JEE and JEE Advanced and a public exam, board exam. Do you understand, student? According to Lowry-Bronsted theory, an acid is a substance that has a tendency to donate a proton, or we can say acid is a substance that is capable of donating a proton, is called acids. A base is a substance that has a tendency to accept a proton, or we can say acid is a substance that is capable of accepting proton from other substance, is called a base. Okay, do you understand, student? Okay, till now we discussed about Lowry-Bronsted theory. So according to Lowry-Bronsted, an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Thank you, student.